Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ifrah Hamta. I'm from 703. Now I will tell about my reflection on second semester. Before tell my reflection, I will explain about what is a reflection. Reflection is it's a way to know what is better we do and what is not we must do not do. Reflection my reflection in second semester is I must to lead with a good word with a good, because my handwriting is bad, and then I will save money from 200 because I usually spend all my money to buy snack. That's all for my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.